You how you can create beautiful 3D animation pictures that you can use in your content creation, in your videos. You can turn these pictures into videos that you can upload on YouTube or on other social media platforms. But in this video, I want to show you how you can create these beautiful images with Canva. Canva has an AI now that can bring a lot of things to life. So I'm going to show you how you can come up with these different images that you want according to the style that you want them to be. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. If you don't have Canva, or if you don't know what Canva is a website that you can use to design a lot of things from thumbnails, from ebooks, digital products, a lot of things. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful pictures like this, pictures that you can later turn into a movie, into a video. So it depends on you what you want to do with your pictures, or you just want to post them like that, or you just want to sell them like AI ads. So it depends on you. It depends on what you want to do with it. But I just wanted to share with you this on how you can create beautiful images like this. So AI, what you tell it, it's what it's going to give you. So if you can put in like, I want you to do for me a girl who is walking, then it will do that for you. So this is a boy that is running. So there are so many. It depends on you what you want. Yes, and if you want, I can also do a video on how you can turn these pictures into a movie, or to make these pictures to talk, to move, and to walk. But in this video, I want to show you how you can generate these pictures in Canva. So I'm going to go to my Canva dashboard. But if you want to make this more fun and more beautiful, you can first go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also an AI that helps you to come up with different ideas, different solutions for your business. As I always tell you, AI can help you, but it can never replace human beings. So, and AI is like a robot. What you tell AI is what it's going to do for you. So it depends on the prompt that you are going to put into that AI. So that's what it will come up with. So you can come here in ChatGPT and put in a prompt. For example, create for me a prompt that I can put in Canva to create for me this and this. For example, when I came here to ChatGPT, these are some of the prompts it gave me. For example, here, the first prompt it gave me was this one: a 3D animated boy in Disney pixel style wearing a blue cap, glasses, a white t-shirt, a blue cracked shirt and jeans. The boy is happy playing with a ball, smiling, full of energy. The background is bright and colorful, like a Pixar movie scene. The boy looks cute, cheerful, and full of life. Soft lighting, vibrant, and colors detailed cartoon 3D. So you, if you want, you can pause this video, copy this prompt, use it. Or I will leave this prompt in the description below for those of you who want to use it. Yes. And this is also another prompt that ChatGPT gave me. So the second one is this: a 3D animated boy in the Snap Pixlar style wearing a blue cap, glasses, a white t-shirt, blue checked shirt. So I will leave these ones in the description below. If you want, you can go ahead and tweak them and change them to your own liking. For example, if you don't want a boy, you can delete this word boy, you put a girl. Yes, if you if you want a man, you can put that. Yes, so you can come first to ChatGPT and come up with the idea, or you can still come to ChatGPT and ask it to give you ideas of 3D animated characters that are trending. Yes, so ChatGPT will go with you on that journey, and it will help you to write for you those characters that are trending. And you can still go ahead and tell ChatGPT to create prompts for you according to the characters it has given you. But if you want to simplify it, you just come jump onto Canva. Then when you come to Canva, if you don't have an account, you come and sign up to Canva. On Canva, they have a free version and a paid version. Anything you see in Canva which have this icon, which is like is it a queen or a king hat? That one is a paid for it is paid for. But others where you don't see this crown, that means it's not paid for, it's for free. So as you can see, I myself have been trying this out. So these are images that I've generated, different of them and different styles. Yes, so you can come here and type in Canva. You can either copy the prompt you've got from ChatGPT, paste it here, or you can come up with something in your head. So it depends on you. I don't know what you want here. Yes, so you can do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come up with something in my head, yes, so that I can test this AI more. But as I told you, if you want to it to look more professional, more beautiful, you go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create for you a prompt, and what you do, you go put your prompt into your Google Docs, edit it according to your liking or according to the style that you like. Yes, but for this example, so I'll just come here and write simple, because these pictures that this AI created for me, I did not use too much English or too much words for it to come up with beautiful pictures like this. So I just want to show you how simple this is, that even a child can do it. Yes, so I'll just put in create for me a design, create for me, let me say a girl combing her hair, or let me say a girl eating, something like that. Yes, but as I told you, if you don't want to take this time, you go to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will do the hard work for you to write for you the prompt. Create for me a girl eating a, let me say, a straw, or let me say a banana, make it 3D animation. Don't you forget to put the word 3D animation so that you can help to guide the AI. Yes, remember, as I told you, AI is not a human being, it works according to what you've given it. Yes, 3D animation like design. All right, design pixel. So another thing that you can do, there is also this, you can come here, and if you don't want to add anything to your image, you can leave it, but there are different things that you can add to your image, like styles. You can make it smart, cinematic, creative, like it depends on which one you choose here. So that's how your picture will come out. So for me, I'm going to choose cinematic, or you can choose 3D render. You can try them all and see which one will work for you. Yes, so I'll just click here on cinematic. Yes, and that's what I'm going to use. You just click here on style, then I'll click on cinematic, and that's what you are going to use. Then here they also have this aspect ratio. Do you want it in the long form for YouTube, in the short format? So these are all aspect ratios that you can use to create your 3D. So if you are creating them for YouTube and you want later to turn them into a video, because there are also AI platforms that you can use to turn pictures into videos. I've done a video about that, and I will link that video in the description below. So if you want to turn your picture into a video later, then what you do, if you want a long form content or a short form content, if you want short form content, then you click on this one. Yes, if you want a short form content, you can click on the short form format, or the long form content, you click on this one. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click here to submit, and AI is going to start generating these images, and it doesn't take long. As you can see, it's generating, and these are the images that it has generated for me. Yes, so as you can see, this is a beautiful girl. She's happy and she's holding the banana in her mouth. This one, she's so joyful. Yes, it's like she's holding the banana. The banana wants to run away. This one is the same thing, and this one is holding also the banana. So you can go ahead and edit your picture. You can come here and upscale it, add things that you want and things that you don't want. Yes. And remember, I told you if you are using the paid version, then you have this icon. Yes. And if you're on the paid version, then you can go ahead and upscale it according to the way you want. Yes. So if you want to upscale, you click here and you go ahead and upscale it and do what you want. For example, if you want to upscale, you just click on that and the image will be upscaled here. So they will like give you a different version of the image, which is upscaled better than the one that you had. So you can see this is the one that they have upscaled for me. Yes. So like the girl looks more happier and like she's opening her mouth more, like the more than the way it was before. So you can go ahead and upscale your images if you want. You can go ahead, download them, take them to the AI that can create a video or a movie from out of these pictures. Remember, as I told you, I've already also done a video on how you can turn your images into videos or into any movie or bring them to life. So I'll link that video in the comment section below. If you want to turn your images into a video and make them better, then you can go ahead and do that and watch that. So I'll leave that in the comment section below. But that's how you can create beautiful images using Canva. And if you do not understand anything, just put it in the comment section below. I'll answer you. And if you want a video for me to make for you a video where you can bring these images to life, I can create that. But I've also created one before. So if you want, you can go ahead and watch that. So that's how you're going to come up with beautiful images like these ones I created at first. Yes. So as you can see, these images, you can turn them into a story, you can turn them into a movie, you can turn them into educational content for children, and even nowadays adults also like watching these videos which are animated. They are better than still images. So you can go ahead, create these your pictures, turn them into a video and bring them to life. Yes, so that's how you go ahead creating an image in Canva, a 3D image. Yes, so if this video has blessed you so far, don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video.